Fourth asana, Trikonasana. Meaning of the Trikonasana, triangle pose. This is also standing pose. Type is the standing, category is the cultural, counts are the 4, complementary posture is the self-complementary. Okay. Now, Geeta madam, get ready. You are in Sthitila, Tadasana. Now come to Sthiti, legs together, hands by the side of the body. This is Tadasana, ready to do. Ekam, 1, legs apart 1 meter, hands raise the hands at shoulder level. Full inhale. Good. Though exhale, bend forward. Take the left palm on the side of the left foot. Good. Now stretch the right hand above the head. Your both hands are perpendicular to each other. Then look up. Then look up. Then look up. No movement. Observe the massaging region. That enjoyful massaging leads to the suffering massaging. Very highly painful. Then come back to the sthiti, any asana. Okay. Teen, full inhale. Come to standing posture. And char, complete exhale. Legs together, hands by the side of the body. Just relax. Just relax in Sthitila Tadasana. Observe the changes in your body. Now, benefit helps in preventing flat foot. If there is any defect in your feet, it will be helpful. Okay. Now strengthen the calf and thigh muscles by bending sidewards. Beautiful massage to the calf muscles and thigh muscles. Therefore, strengthen your calf and thigh muscles. Corrects your back problems. If there is any back problems, and correct the back problems. Strengthen the waist muscles. Waist region muscles makes the spine flexible. Okay. So these are the benefits. Contraindications, undergone recent abdominal surgery. This is the common contraindication. No need to tell. Cardiac problems, severe cardiac problem people should not do. Slip disc severe and sciatica severe people should not do this asana. Key points what? Lateral bending only from the waist region. You bend from the waist region, legs parallel to each other, and left palm facing forward in the final position, hands at 180 degrees to each other. So both hands like this 180 degrees. This means both hands perpendicular to each other. So your right hand is below, left hand is above. You should maintain both hands 180 degrees like this. Okay. These are the key points. Right. Next, Parivrita Trikonasana, crossed triangle posture. Parivrita. Parivrita means crossed. Triangle means Trikona. Asana means posture. Type standing, category cultural, counts 4, complementary posture, self-complementary. Okay. Right. Madam, legs together, hands by the side of the body. Good. Ready to do. No tension in the body and mind. Face is smile. Right. Ekam, 1, legs apart 1 meter. Raise both hands at shoulder level. Full inhale. 2, complete exhale. Bend forward with backbone stretch. Take the left palm side of the right foot. Yes, twist your backbone like a screw. Okay, your right hand above the head. Maintain your both hands 180 degrees or perpendicular to each other. No movement in the body. Face is smile. Maintain Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Enjoy with beautiful twisting of your backbone or abdomen or lungs region or neck area, like that. When you are getting miserable pain, suffering pain, then come back to the sthiti. Teen, inhale, come to standing position, and char, exhale, legs together, hands by the side of the body, just relax in Sthitila, Tadasan. Observe the beautiful changes in your body. Enjoy. Observe the type is the standing, category is the cultural, and counts are the 4. Complementary posture is the self-complementary. Okay. Benefits gives the rotational movement to the spine. Rotational movement means circular movement. Okay. Gives the rotational movement to the spine. Therefore, get the spine flexible, enhance the blood flow to your spine and spinal nerves and back muscles, etc. etc. Your back muscles should be strengthened. If there is any mild back pain, immediately relief and enhance the blood flow to your head because your rotational movement of the backbone is here. Therefore, you can say any related backbone related benefits. Improves the functioning of the kidneys by twisting of your abdomen, enhance the blood flow to your kidneys. Therefore, improve the functioning of your kidneys. Okay. Strengthen the thigh muscles. Strengthen your thigh muscles, strengthen your calf muscles. By twisting of your abdomen, if there is any excess fat, reduce the fat. There is no fat, your abdominal muscles should be strong. Limitation, spinal problems, severe spinal problem people, heart problem people, severe hypertension people should not do this asana. Okay. Now, key points, bend from the lower back. When you are doing this asana, bend from the lower back, knee straight, don't bend any knee, hands in 180 degrees, okay, foot parallel to each other, okay. Last asana, Parsva Konasan, side angle pose, okay. Parsva means side, angle means, Kona means angle, asana means posture, madam. Okay. Type standing, category cultural, counts are 8. Complementary posture is the self-complementary. Okay. Madam, you are in Sthitila Tadasana. Please come to Tadasana. Legs together, hands by the side of the body. Ekam, 1, legs apart, 1 meter. Riser both hands at shoulder level. Full inhale. Dve, turn the body right side. Complete exhale. And turn your right foot 90 degree, left foot 45 degrees. Look beyond on the right shoulder. 3 knee, full inhale, bend your right knee. From right foot to right knee 90 degrees. And take the right palm side of the right foot. And Chetwari, complete exhale, stretch the left hand above the head. Okay, your left biceps touch the left ear. No movement. Observe the beautiful massaging to your legs. Pancha, full inhale, come to standing position. Look right side. Sapta, untwist your body, complete exhale. Ashta, legs together, hands by the side of the body. Relax. Relax in Sthitila Tadasana. Benefits, expands the thorax. Okay, by looking forward, expands the thorax. This means what? Improve the breathing, improve your lung capacity, enhance the blood flow to your lungs area. Therefore, it gives the relaxation to the asthmatic people, lungs disorder people, like that. Strengthen the thighs. Strengthen the thighs, not only thighs, strengthen your whole legs. Whole legs. Improve the intestinal peristalsis. This means IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Okay. There are so many benefits are there. Only 3 benefits are given in our textbook. Okay. Now, limitation, cardiac problems only given. Knee pain people also should not do this asana because highly massage to the kneecaps and knee joints. Those who are suffering with knee pain, people should not do this asana. Okay, limitations. Key points. both foot parallel to each other. Okay, in count to 2, body facing forward. In count to 3, 90 degrees angle at the knee. Okay, in count to 3, arm fit resting on the knee, both soles totally on the ground, no contraction of the chest should be face forward in the final position, left knee should be straight. Okay, these are the key points for the Parsva Konasan. So these are the 6 standing asanas.
సార్ నాకు ఇంకొకటి ఇక్కడ డెమాన్స్ట్రేట్ గా చేస్తున్నాను కదా సార్, చాలా అంటే చాలా ఫ్రీగా అనిపిస్తుంది సార్. ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏం నేర్చుకోకపోయినా ఇది ఈ ఆసనం అంటే ఇది అని చెప్పి ఫుల్ గా తెలిసిపోతుంది సార్ చేయడం వలన.
ఫుల్ గా తెలిసిపోతుంది, ఎందుకంటే మామూలుగా నేను చెప్పినప్పుడు మీరు ఆసనాలు చేసిన దానికంటే డెమాన్స్ట్రేటర్ గా ఉంటే బాగా ఫోకస్ చేయాలి.
అవును సార్.
నేను చెప్పినప్పుడు మీరు డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్ లేకుంటే మీకు అంత ఫోకస్ ఉండదు, కానీ డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్ అంటే మీరు ఒక బాధ్యత గల పోస్ట్ లో ఉన్నట్టు బాగా ఫోకస్ చేస్తారు కాబట్టి ఫుల్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది ఆ పార్ట్స్ పైన కానివ్వండి, ఆసనం తోటి కానివ్వండి, మిగతా వాళ్ళకంటే మీకు ఎక్కువ రిజల్ట్స్ వస్తాయి.
అవును సార్, కరెక్ట్. ఎక్కడ మీరు ఎక్కడ చెప్పారు కదా అక్కడంతా బాగా ఏదో
రాంగున్నా కానీ అక్కడ గీతా మేడం చేస్తుంటే నేను కూడా ఇక్కడ చేస్తున్నాను సార్. నేను ఆ పని చేస్తున్నాను.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
సార్.
నమస్తే, ధన్యవాదాలు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.